Hi educators! Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial for Lexile Find a Book. The Lexile Find a Book tool makes it easy to search for books by grade, interest, and complexity. You can find the tool in your Lexile and Quantile Hub All Tools page, or navigate there directly using hub.lexile.com/find-a-book. Are you ready to search? You can use the quick search feature for a specific book. Just enter a keyword, title, author, or ISBN and select Search. There are two ways to use student reading information to search. To search for books based on a student's grade and reading confidence estimate, select the correct grade from the list. Next, select the icon that best represents the student's reading confidence level. To search for books based on a student's reading level, type either their Lexile measure or Lexile range. Once you've entered your initial search criteria, continue with more or select Search to see your results. You can continue to narrow your search by selecting from interest categories and subcategories. Premium members will find that the Advanced Educator Search offers additional filters that are a great way to focus searches for a specific reading purpose. Select a Lexile code to search for a specific type of book, like GN for graphic novels. Click the tile under Harder for a greater challenge, or the tile under Easier for less of a challenge. Just select Search to view your results. The results page will display books that match your initial search criteria. Use the drop-down arrow to order your results. To filter your results by Lexile range, drag the slider bar to the left for easier books and to the right for more difficult books. To filter results by category and subcategory, either type a keyword into the text box or select a category from the list. To filter your results by book interest, you can select the boxes by ELL, in a series, award-winning, and Lexile and vocabulary by chapter. Now, just select Apply Filters to view your refined results. From the results page, select on a book image to view publication information and other details about the book. As a Basic Plus or Premium member, when you find a book you love, select the heart icon to add it to your bookshelf for easy access. And if you're interested in purchasing or borrowing a certain book, just select the Find on Amazon button or the Find in Library button. There's also the option to search for your book in Open Library. Premium members can select vocabulary to see the pronunciation guide, part of speech, definition, and sample sentence for key vocabulary words from the book. And finally, premium members can click on indicators to view characteristics about the text. Books measuring above 660L will display sentence length and word frequency indicators. Books below 660L will display decoding and patterns indicators in addition to sentence length and word frequency. Now you're ready to find books. Visit hubsupport.lexile.com to find more answers about how to use Find a Book and all of the tools available on the Lexile and Quantile Hub. Developed by Metametrics. Copyright 2024, Metametrics Incorporated, all rights reserved.